Hope you guys are having a good time. Wherever you go, wherever you may wander in your life, surely you know I'll always want to be there, holding your hand and standing by to catch you when you fall, seeing you through and everything you do. I said, oh, let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night, let me change whatever is wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Watching you grow and going through the changes in your life, that's how I know I'll always want to be there, holding your hand and standing by to catch you